I'm Chuck Connors from Molding Dynamics. I grew up here in Northeast Ohio, started working in the industry with my dad, worked my way through Cleveland State University. Molding Dynamics I started in 2001 on the near west side of Cleveland. Since then, we've been constantly growing the company to meet the needs of our customers. Today we run 3 shifts, we employ over 40 people, continue to grow and change and improve the company to better take care of our customers.
My name is Robin Stackhouse, and I am currently the scheduler for MDI. I have been working for Molding Dynamics for 7 years. My roles have changed over the years. I started out as a quality audit inspector. I trained my replacement in second shift so that I could come to first shift. Then as we grew, they needed someone to cover customer service, so I became customer service. I'm the scheduler, so yes, I've grown quite a bit with this company. Oh, it's wonderful to work in here. You know, you walk in through the door and you've got somebody that's there for a high five, or good morning, Robin, or even the machine operators, hello, Robin, how are things? How are you today? You know, they've been here a couple hours before I got here. It's very upbeat. Then the questions come, you know. Okay, we need you to answer this, we need you to answer that. But, you know, my schedule for the rest of the day to try and prep them so that they can be in good shape for the next day. So, yeah, it's fun. You know what I like the best about working here is our diversity. We are so diverse. We have people from all walks of life. We have people from at all levels of education and all levels of experience. I like that. I like the fact that we, as a group, love bringing people up, you know, like training them and showing them and giving them the opportunity to better themselves.
And I think as we grow the company to get the best results, okay, the best performance, is building that culture, that camaraderie, attracting people and retaining people that want to succeed, okay? And we give them the tools to succeed, them personally and professionally, which also then helps the organization. So I think it has to be a win-win for the staff and company. And then I think that's kind of what we have here, to be honest.
My name is Lian Marie Perez. Right now I'm doing quality. I'm inspecting every job, you know, how the part is coming out of the machine. Just come here like anyone. I start working as machine operator. Then I start doing leader, and now I'm in charge on quality. They give me a great opportunity, and I'm very blessed. And I don't say no more because I cry. I like the people. We try to be a family, help each other, you know, try to be the more easy and more comfortable place for everybody. You know, we trying to be a team, just more a family, you know, help each other. That's great. A great job, a great opportunity. You know, this is not that difficult. This is something easy that anyone can do. And it's awesome because we're having a lot of opportunity in here. You know, if you like it, you like it, you do your job how you're supposed to do, you can learn more and you can grow up in here.
Success and the people making a difference. I think all of us have to work. Most of us have to work. But I think the fact that we can actually impact people's lives, give them a career, and help them personally and professionally, and at the same time grow a successful business. And to be able to be a part of that equation excites me.
I'm really proud of the company we've become, the team we've built here. There's no sign of us slowing down anytime soon.